we now invite on stage Professor Dr. Sarman Singh from AIIMS Bhopal. He'll enlighten us about the national healthcare policy and healthcare in general in India. Let's all welcome on stage Professor Dr. Sarman Singh. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you. And once again, to the Times Cyber Media, giving this opportunity. I am probably the only government doctor here. But nevertheless, I would like to say that in 2004, Government of India, they established 6 AIIMS in various parts of the country. The reason was that spending 30 years in AIIMS Delhi, I know that from all corners we get patients. So government thought that why not localize the AIIMS in the various regions so that patients need not to travel so far. Unfortunately, between 2004 to 2012, nothing happened much. And 2012, 6 AIIMS, these were established. Actually, they became functional. So, 2012 to 2018, the progress was definitely there, but it was not to the expectation of the government wanted. The government selected several AIIMS professors from AIIMS Delhi, and they wanted they should go and handhold these AIIMS. Not many people they opted because they thought that the local influence will be hampering their progress. Finally, this year, Government of India wanted me to join there, and they wanted that I should use my 30 years experience and bring up the AIIMS Bhopal, which I feel that is centrally located. It can cater the all parts of the country. And I have tried my best. My vision is that AIIMS Bhopal very soon will be very near to AIIMS Delhi. It cannot be like AIIMS Delhi, but definitely it will be very close to AIIMS Delhi. We have 35 departments. We are intaking 100 students, MBBS students each year, about 100 MD and MS students. We are having all kinds of facilities, and I hope that I will be able to meet the expectations Government of India has given to me. Thank you.
The award for the category Most Trusted Medical College in India, and the award is backed by All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhopal. We have with us Professor Sarman Singh, Director, All India Institute of Medical Sciences, Bhopal, to receive this award.